Hi, I got an Uber pickup for Anna.
Put you at the window.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
How you doing? All right. Okay, got one item. Small minute maid. Okay. Hello.
Only one drink, yeah?
Yes.
Sorry, this one.
Okay. Thank you. All right. Is this everything?
You too.
Okay. Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. All right. Got that there.
Head to your drop-off at 85186 Lualualei Homestead Road.
No, we're on our way. On my way. Off and running.
Lualualei past the four-way. There are fire hydrants on the left. The second hydrant near Ana K says, meet outside. Hello, so when you're going up Lualualei past the four-way, there are fire hydrants on the left. The second hydrant near the...
Hello. Thanks for being on the lookout. Jack in the Box? Okay, awesome. Not bad. Not bad at all. As long as I can hustle, I'm good to go. Here you go. You're welcome. Happy New Year.
Yeah, Happy New Year.
All right.
You too.
Okay, got it? Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome. Oh, did they give you a 4-digit PIN? 7769? Okay.
Turn left, then turn right. Turn right, then turn right.
Here we come.
Turn right, then turn right.
How you doing? How are you? Oh, thanks a lot.
Set up.
Yes, indeed, he got to be.
Holy man, what is that, camera in there?
Yes, that's right, Dashcam. Yeah, you know, like the cars have their stuff on the
What
cam.
kind of job do you do?
UberEats, Doordash,
Uber.
all that kind of stuff. Yeah. Yep.
Oh man, you classy.
Oh, appreciate it, boss. Appreciate it. All righty there. Y'all have a good one. Happy New Year. Okay, thanks a lot. All right, you have a good one now. Happy New Year. All right. right, how you doing? Okay, come on in.
There we go.
All right, all right.
Have a good one.
Yep, y'all too. Okay. Hello, how you doing? All right. Here you are. Okay, my pleasure as always. Thank you, you too. Happy New Year. UberEats, Doordash, all those guys.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You make good over there?
It's okay, you know.
I always see you around.
Oh
man.
yeah. I mean, you know,
Hustling, man.
it pay per the delivery. So the more
Right.
you do, the more you make. So
Nice,
yes,
nice.
indeed.
So you do from where Nanakuli to here?
Yeah, pretty much. I try to stay up here on the Waianae side.
Right.
Not a cool. You got to go on faster roads to get there. So this only do 30 miles an hour.
Oh, nice.
But